Hi, I'm Wendy DeMonte. Welcome to the Mathewson River Estate, a magical, unique, one-of-a-kind home along the banks of the Truckee River. But arriving at this threshold isn't where you truly start the experience of coming home here. It begins well down the driveway as you pull through the gates, and literally the worries of your day start to melt away as you drive beneath 50-foot trees that shade the drive into this home. By the time you do reach that front door, your day has shedded away. There's no more stress, there's no more worry about things that you have to get done. You suddenly are in your own sanctuary, right on the river, a home that is so peaceful and so beautiful that you look forward to coming here every single day. Once you're inside the home, your transformation truly happens, and you get to decide. Do you want a quiet night sitting on the couch overlooking the river? Do you want to throw open all of these magnificent doors and entertain until the wee hours of the night? Do you want to have a nice family dinner or let the grandkids run amok, having the time of their lives at your home? Whatever you want to do, this house can provide. As you wander throughout the hallways, you will take note that every room is perfect. No detail has been overlooked. They're all unique and different in their own way, and yet you will realize that there is a common thread amongst this estate that pulls it all together into the perfect home. As you've seen, most of the house is fairly understated, until the bathroom. I just think every girl deserves a little glitz and a little classy sparkle, and this bathroom does it perfectly. Take a look around. It's gorgeous, it's comfortable, it's unique, and it's just what every girl wants. This closet really is every girl's dream. You have a specific space for your shoes, for your bags, for your tops, for your jackets, and then you spin around. Come with me. Wait for it, and then you walk in here and you have a place for pants and maybe some sweatshirts. It just goes on and on and on. Oh, which bag should I choose today? Many people can buy a house. Not everyone can buy a home, and certainly not everyone can buy this home with this much riverfront property. I mean, take a look as far as the eye can see, that direction and that direction. This whole section of the river will be yours. That is an incredibly unique asset here in Reno, and a beautiful one. In fact, at this estate, you will do just as much living outside as you will inside the home. This place is perfect to entertain. It's great to eat outside or have a lovely iced tea or lemonade out here on the porch, overlooking the river, which, by the way, being close to river, everyone agrees that that lowers your stress, decreases depression, helps with your mood, lifts your mood into a great place. It all happens right here at the Mathewson River Estate. Just take a look at the beauty that will be yours. The Mathewson River Estate is truly one of the most magnificent properties in Reno. It's special on so many levels. I certainly hope you've enjoyed seeing just a touch of it, but to truly see it in all its glory, contact Ann Mudd at Chase International.